Hello and welcome to Leon's Lockpad. Today it is Wednesday, so it's time to do a challenge lock. The lock itself is called a Specialist. It's a night latch. There's the bitting. As you can see, it's a Specialist on the key, and it's number 4 of Vic's picks. If you haven't checked out Vic, I'll leave his name in the description and everything. Awesome guy. He sent me a bag of his challenge locks. I think this is the second one I've picked. I think I have anyway. But yeah, we're going to see if we can get in it. But before we do, if you're interested in Locksport, you want to get involved, please check out www.uklocksport.co.uk. That's UKLS, or you can find me on Discord, Extraordinary League of Pickers, or Lockpicking Anonymous on Facebook. And if you'd like to see on my channel, you want to see some more, hit that subscribe button, that bell icon, as I make 2-3 videos per week, from picking locks to challenge locks to draws to giveaways, all type of stuff related really. I do apologise about not doing the Union Gut Part 2 yet. I will be doing this on Friday. I'm just decorating the house at the moment, so extra busy. So I've moved that to Friday, which is convenient for me as well because I'm due a parcel so I could do parcel opening as well as the gutting. Combine 2 videos into one. But yeah, so I hope everybody's well. Like I say, we're on Wednesday and it is 9:25 in the morning here. Get this light over here. There we go. We're going to use just a normal little tension wrench and a Trek Master hook. Also, Vic has done a very nice thing as he's used plugs. So, because I remember him saying, I think it's this one, as a fishbone core. But all these padlocks have got grub screws in. It makes it more convenient for you to, disassemble if you've got no shims, which makes life a little bit easier. Right, so let's go. Got a little click off one. There's a nice sharp click, that. Click off 3. We're a little bit loose there. Let's move that. There's a click on 2. There's a little bit of counter then. Oh, we're open. There we go. That was on number 1. That was a fun pick. Let's see what's inside it. Now, don't get me wrong. I've had a play around with these before, so I have picked this one before. Just not on camera. And it's the same as the other ones that Vic's got. Here's another one. Got a few of his. This Yale. The tricky. Yeah, he's made a couple of kick-ass ones. I think he was teasing me with this one. We're just, like quick pick, and then the rest will be just wreck your head, if you know what I mean. Right, we can light this back up. Got a shim out, so let's get the clip remover. Because we still might be using the grub screws. Well, that came off nice and easy, which is very unusual for just a metal one. Because, as you know, they usually just spring off and do their own thing. Right, got a shim. Where is it? It's there. Let's turn it a little bit to the side and then turn it back on itself. No. It needs to go back in. We're going to have to do this the other way before I get it caught. I've already got one slightly caught. Let's see, have I got the Allen key? Yes, I have. Oh, that went there. We're all going wrong now. That was the back one. So, there we go. Spring went flying out at me. There is I'll do it after, yeah. We'll do this opposite. I'll have to do it like that. Spring. That dude is a little bit stuck. We'll come back to him. Let's get this one done. There's spring. Oh, he's there at the top. The spool. We'll see, mate, as well as nice and smooth threading you've done for these grub screws. No, you don't want to come out. Right, let's try this one. Number one. Before we go any further again. Let's see what we can do. Right. Well, that's ring. Straight away. There we go. And he has come out of... I think he's come out of number 2. Right, 1 second. There we go. I saved it. I got it out. Right, so... they are stuck. Well, that first one is proper stuck in there. I will say, Vic, my friend, you have done some great work, but a little tip for you, mate. And this, I got this from Bill Bicardi, and it's very true. If you thread your core, your Bible, you're going to get your pin stuck. I've learnt that myself. They were sticking far too much. And I learnt that, so I modified the core, but left the Bible. But it also depends on the threads. Me, normally what I do is, if I do any work with the threads, then again, no. You've not done it. I do apologise, mate. You have done absolutely no work to that. What that is they were caught up on the threads for the grub screws. Duh. Sorry, mate. But it is a good tip anyway. If you ever decide to thread Bibles, be careful of your pins, because they will get jammed. Like I say, I've done it myself. And then I remember Bill Ducardi saying that he doesn't thread the Bibles because of that's the same problem. And now, unless it's got undercutting or anything like that, which is different, but threading can get can half jam your pins up. There we go, fishbone core. As if you face it that way, it's like a cartoon version of a fishbone. Let's see what we've got. In 1, standard. 2, standard. 3, standard. 4, standard. 5, standard. And yep, done some nice work to the core. So look, we've got some threading. It looks like we've got some threading and maybe a little bit of undercutting. I don't know. Could be on them too. But very nice work, my friend. And I hate that. That's a cop out, that with lot me with the cheapo companies. Let's move as much material as we can. And if it's cast like this, but if it's cut out, it'd be easy just to leave the whole thing. Less work to leave it as a full core than to cut it all out. Yeah, well. Ooh-dee-doo-doo. And there we go. So let's have a look at these pins. On these pins, I should say. We've got standard in 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and that's your key pins. And your drivers, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all spools. Now these won't be original spools, as like I say, some new people think that, you know, they've asked me if is a challenge like a challenge lock if you just make the pins. Well, no, you can use pins from any other lock. If you've changed that lock from how it originally was to make it more difficult, then it becomes a challenge lock because it becomes a challenge to open. So there's no thing, you don't have to make your own pins. And my very first challenge locks were all pins from other types of locks, and from Asa, Yale, all sorts. I used to use their different pins to make my own challenge locks until I got the equipment and watched tutorials on how to make pins and thingy. But and all copper springs. Well, that's a very nice pick, my friend. Thank you very much. Please check out Vic's pick. Awesome guy. He's quite recent, newish lad. Great guy. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe and bye. Don't forget to like.